muted someone on Bluesky but you want to reconnect? Let me show you how to quickly unmute any account in just a few taps. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to unmute muted account on Bluesky app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Bluesky app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Here, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then go to Settings option. Here, click on the Moderation option. Now in this page, you'll find Muted Accounts option. Tap on it. From the Muted Accounts list, find the profile you want to unmute. Tap on their name or profile. Once on their profile, tap on the three horizontal dots in the right-hand side of your screen. Then tap on Unmute Account option. And that's it, you've successfully unmuted an account on Bluesky. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first to know when a new video drops.